500 mixer, the electric control cabinet. This part is for the mixer. This part is for the flow meter. As we considered that this design can be easy to learn. For the mixer part, this is the emergency stop. And these two parts. When you want to hit, put this button and this light will on. If you want this one. And for the mixer, for the mixing, this button is to open and this is stop. The mixing. This one is to adjust the mixing speed. This This is for the homogenizer, the button homogenizer. Opened, stop, and this is the homogenizing frequency. You can adjust this to adjust the homogenizing speed. Normally, and it is for the homogenizing delay. For time, how many minutes you set here, and then the homogenizer will work for how many minutes. Normally, for homogenizer, it will set 3 to 5 minutes at one time, and then stop, and then keep going for the second mixer, for the second times for homogenizing. This is for the homogenizer current. And for the flow meter, this is the open, this is the close, this is the stop. You can see the figures, data on display and set by these buttons. Mixer is very easy to copy.